Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 Double Cab V6 SR5. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 pickup truck in a head-turning magnetic gray color. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Included in your SR5 package is your backup camera, as well as your heated front seats and your cargo bed liner for the ultimate driving convenience. Helping you into your Tacoma is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space to hop into your Tacoma. You're also greeted by a two-tone interior with that gray and black. You have your power windows, your power locks, and power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here you have your fully automatic high beams, your 120-volt AC plug-in, and your cargo bed lamp. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats, and check out the detailing put into your gray seats here, just for that added sporty style. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Tacoma, simply put your foot on the brake there and your key in the ignition. That dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen and then ambient lighting. Taking a look at your kilometers, you do have 99 kilometers on your truck right now. You also have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important menu to take a look at are your Toyota Safety Sense features, which you can set the sensitivity of the pre-collision system, your lane departure alert, as well as turning on and off those alerts altogether. You also do have your volume control, your mode changers, your voice command, and your hands-free calling on this side. And on this side you can see you have your dynamic radar cruise control, also part of your Toyota Safety Sense, with your cruise control available there. You have a mix of a leather and perforated leather wrapped steering wheel, and on your LCD screen here it's open to your audio system, so you have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio with your CD player on top, USB auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on your screen there, a nice safety feature to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, of course, you need your 4x4 option with your Tacoma to take on everything that Alberta has to offer. You also do have your climate control, which is equipped with that air conditioning. Definitely going to come in handy during those hot summer months. Below here you see you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your USB auxiliary input with your 12-volt DC charger, media storage with that lamp for visibility. You also do have your rugged cup holders, tying all that style together with your leather trim on your shift knob and your parking brake. Inside of your center console here, we'll take that out. You can see that you have plenty of space to store everything that you need, as well as a removable mat inside for easy cleaning. Inside your glove box here, all the manuals you'll need to know, everything there is to know about your Tacoma, as well as that lock to keep everything nice and safe. And here's a closer look at that two-tone dashboard, tying all of that functionality and style together on the inside of your Tacoma. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Tacoma. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear cargo lamp for visibility, as well as your manual slide rear window to let in some fresh air for your back passengers. A standard feature in your 2018 Tacoma is your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You also do have a handy, convenient step, as well as your trailer and towing equipment, and your spare tire storage underneath. Opening up your easy lift and lower tailgate, no more slamming that door down anymore. You also do have your cargo bed liner inside, so your truck is ready for you to simply load up and take it on the road. You also do have your 120-volt AC plug-in in there, in case you're working in the back, as we take one more look at the back of your Tacoma. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 Double Cab V6 SR5. Built right into your pickup truck is your Toyota Safety Sense features, like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, to have you riding in the ultimate comfort. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.